Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to buy SUI token or SUI coin on your Bybit account, and also I'm going to show you how you can be able to transfer your SUI token that you've bought from your Bybit account to your SUI wallet. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Let's get started. I'm going to quickly show you guys two methods on how you can buy SUI token on your Bybit account. I'm going to do that quickly. For the first one is to go over to where you can see trade. You can see trade right there. Tap on trade. Then what you have to do next now is to change that cryptocurrency pair at the top, BTC/USDT. You have to change it to SUI/USDT. So to change it, you have to tap on it. Let me tap on it. Then what you can do now is to look for SUI/USDT. You can use the search icon to search for it real quick. Let me start typing SUI. Then let me tap on search. You can see the cryptocurrency pair right there, SUI/USDT at the top. So let me tap on it to select it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see buy. You can see where it is written buy. You have to tap on buy. So let me tap on buy. Then now the next step you have to take now is to tap on limit. You can see limit right there. Let me tap on limit. Then what you have to do is to tap on market, which is the second option. Let me tap on market. Now you can see market has been selected. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on that drop down icon next to USDT. You can see USDT right there. You have to change it. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to select the first option, which is order by quantity SUI. You have to choose SUI. So let me tap on SUI now to select it. Then let me tap on confirm. So what you have to do now is to tap on quantity to input the amount of SUI token that you want to buy. Let me tap on quantity so you can type in what you want to buy, the amount of SUI. And also you can use that slider right there. You can see this slider right here. You can use the slider to actually input the quantity of SUI that you want to buy. So let me input 100%. So I want to buy 1.74 SUI token. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on buy. So let me tap on buy. Then what you have to do is to tap on buy SUI down there. Let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's loading. So guys, by doing that now, you've been able now to buy SUI token, and you can confirm that by going over to your assets. Then tap on unified trading. Let it load up. You can see right there now, I will now have the SUI token. You can see it right there, 1.74 SUI token. Now my USDT has reduced and my SUI token has increased because I used my USDT. So let me go back now. So let me show you guys now how you can be able to transfer this SUI token from your Bybit account to your SUI wallet. What you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see assets. You can see assets right there, down there on the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see withdraw. So let me tap on withdraw. So what you have to do right here now is to look for the SUI token. You can look for it real quick by tapping on the search icon at the top. Then you type in SUI. You can see it right there. Let me select it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Now we've selected SUI. The next step you have to take now is to paste your SUI wallet address. So what you have to do now is to go over to your SUI wallet and get your SUI deposit address, SUI wallet address. So let me go over to my SUI wallet now to get the deposit address, to get the wallet address. Here is my SUI wallet. Where is it? So let me tap on it to open it up. You can see now my SUI wallet is opening. So once your SUI wallet opens up, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see receive. You can see where it is written receive. You tap on it. Then you tap on copy address. You can see it right there. You can see down there, copied successfully. So now you've been able now to copy your SUI wallet address from your SUI wallet. So what I'm going to do now is to go back now to my Bybit now. Then what I'll do now is to paste that address I just copied now from my SUI wallet right there. So let me paste it. You can see I've pasted it. The next step now is to choose network. The network you have to choose is SUI network. So you have to tap on this to choose. Then let me choose SUI. You can see I've selected SUI. The next step now is to input the amount of SUI token that you want to actually transfer from your Bybit account to your SUI wallet. So you can type it in, or you can simply tap on max to send all the SUI token that you have in your Bybit account to the SUI wallet. Let me tap on max. You can see now the total amount of SUI token that I have is now appearing there. So after that now, what you have to do now is to tap on withdraw. So let me tap on withdraw. Then let me tap on confirm. Then what I have to do now is to go over to my email to get the code that has been sent to me, and also input my Google Authenticator code. You can see right there now the withdrawal is in progress. You can see it right there at the top. Let me tap on it to open it up. You can see withdrawal in progress. So let's wait a few seconds. Let me go back. Let me refresh again. Then you keep refreshing. Then you keep refreshing. Wow guys, can now see it right there, it has been sent. You can see it right there, sent. It's no longer withdrawal in progress. So now let me tap on it. You can see I've sent 1.20 SU to my SUI wallet. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my SUI wallet to confirm this withdrawal if it has been deposited and transferred there. So let me open my SUI now. Wow guys, can see the SUI token has been deposited right there. You can see it right there, 1.2 SUI token. So now to further confirm it, let me tap on activity. Let me tap on activity right here. Then you can see now this is the exact time I received it. You can see receive. Let me tap on it to open it. This is the transaction history. You can see I received 1.72. You can see it right there. So guys, this is how you can be able to buy the SUI token from your Bybit account and then transfer it from your Bybit account to your SUI wallet. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. See you in our next upload.